One of the first mistakes that I see has to do with our shoulder blades. So I'm gonna have Caitlin drop it down into that first position that we rolled to. So right away, we wanna make sure that we are sitting high on our shoulder blades, setting ourselves up for success with our height, okay? If we are only going to here, we're not gonna be able to get high enough to execute the kip up, okay? The next thing has to do with our legs, okay? So as Caitlin goes back up into this position, her legs are straight. They bend to get that power, but then they've gotta get straight again, okay? The last thing is your arms, okay? Kip ups are very hard to do without the power and that finishing touch of your arms. So make sure your arms are following through to the very last second and then also coming up and over, okay? Too many times, I feel like we use our hands as like a little safety, like, oh, well, if I can just keep them on the ground, you know, we'll be good. But then you've lost that extra power you would have gotten by following through with those arms. Do not leave them by your side.